Okay, can start now.
Okay. So today, a little bit special. We learn matrix first. Okay. Before we go to learn another topic in section B. So right now, as you can see, there's a lot of question for paper one in matrix. They usually got paper one and paper two for matrix question. So we learn from here lah, 4.5. Usually 4.5 is they will have like a lot of question lah. For 4.1 it's just like see one or two question only. So we start from 4.5. Start from 4.5. Uh, we will, we will go through some harder question lah. Some harder question or simple question also can. So we go through the first two questions first. Okay. So in paper one, you can see the format also usually is like this. So okay. So number question 3 is if 2, 1, 3, 5, 3, -5 minus L equals to 2, 3, -1, 6, then matrix L is what? So as you can see, it's minus L. You can see on the left hand side, the equation is like this. So we go through one by one. So you can see left and left. This is like comparison. So this is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 matrix. Okay, 2 times 2 matrix. So when usually compare, you just compare like one by one here. So as you can see, first one, 2, 2, so it's 0. The first one must be 0 here. Okay, I just go through that. So 2, 2, so it's 0 because my 2 minus 0 equals to 2. Okay, or you can use 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Okay.
So the answer B and D is impossible. Only A and C. Correct?
So only A and C. So only A and C. So we can look through these two questions. Okay.
Yeah,
We usually got a method for eliminate the question. The option. You can see now 0, 0, 0, 2.
Yes.
So only 0 because only 0 here. So we look at the option C1 and 2. So this is 2 must be wrong already. So there's only left this one and this one. So what we need to do is we see the different ones first. So as you can see, below here is different. So we compare one only. We use this one, okay? This one, okay. Right now you can see 3, -1. So when you move to the left, it's minus -1. So it's 4. So the answer is A. So how to confirm the answer is A? We look at the right hand one. So right hand side one. So you can see minus wait wait no lah C lah C lah C lah C lah C lah C lah 4 嘛 C lah correct C okay C yeah C 3 minus -1 is 4 yeah right C. So we go through the next one. So they want you to find x times y. So we look at it first. Okay. So you can see here's a 2. Here's a 2. Okay. So 2 usually is multiplied into the matrix. Okay. So as you can see, when you expand the matrix into it, is like this. Sorry. Maybe 9, 6 plus -8 and 2yl. Sorry, it's not fraction. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay. 2y, you can see, goes to x8. So we compare one by one. So you can see -9 plus -8. So the answer must be -17 already. -17 already. Okay, x. So next one, 6 plus 2y equals to 8. So the logical answer must be 1 already. You can see 2 plus 2y equals 2, y equals to 1. Okay. So it's always answer. So x times y is equal to negative 17. So answer is B. Okay. So this one is a simple one. So we go through the SPM clone now. Because SPM clone is, they can tell you how what is the format for the like what usually SPM come out on the question. Okay. This one you can see if 742p equals to 9, then p is 1. So this one is what, 2 times 1 and 1 times 2. Wait. No. It's 1 times 2 because it's this one is row. Okay, the down here is column. So it's so this is the matrix of 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. So
1
this can so the end product is here. And see, use this first one and the last one to find out the final format. So it's 1 times 1. So as you can see the working here, 7 2p plus 4p equals to 9. So it's 14p plus 4p equals to 9. So 18p. So the answer is 1 over 2. Use calculator. So you can find out the answer is C. Okay. Next question. We find a difficult one here. This one is 12. Question 12. Question 12. So you can see all is same row and same column. So we first solve the below ones first, the multiplication first. 3, -2, 1, 1, 4. So the matrix product will be -6, 3, and 12. So we just pass together. As you can see, the left hand side there is a working here for you to to solve. So how to solve? So we need to do this first. This working first. Need to expand the matrix first. And then we pass them together according to their column.
你拿那2个盖哦，把那个菜盖住，放在那个饭桌上面，然后妈咪下来可以吃。
Continue. So you can see 4 minus 1 plus -6. 4 minus 1. So it's -3. -7 minus 3 plus 3. So it's -7. So don't need to do already because you can see the first one already determined the answer. So the answer is C. Just usually the options are really clear. If there's the options like this, the answers are really clear already. If you solve until the last part here, so the answer is C. So we look at the other ones. Okay, question 13, please. The top right. And let me see the question. Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Okay, I think it's 1 3 1 3 2 6 5 1, and then 1 -3. If not mistaken. So this is the 2 times 1. 2. Wait. No. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 matrix. 3 times 2. So the end product will be 3 times 1. So you can see already A and B is the option. So we do the multiplication one by one. We do the multiplication one by one. So 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equals to 1. Okay. And then 3 times negative 3. So it's minus 9. 1 times 1 and plus 3 times negative 3 equals to 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. So equals to negative 8. So the answer is A. A is the answer. Okay. 15. 15. Let's go to question. No, let's go to question 16. 16 is harder. Okay. 16. So given that x3 minus 2 negative 1 equals to 3. So find the values of x and y. So we can expand the middle ones first, because it's a times into it. The 2 must be times into it first. Expand the 2 into it, into the matrix. So it's so you can see you get the equation like this, the matrix equation like this. So x minus negative 2, x minus negative 2, x minus negative 2 equals to 3. So x plus 2 equals to 3. So x is equals to 1. So the answer is C. Answer is C. But if you want to confirm the answer, you can look down first. So 3 times minus 2 times 6 equals to y. So 3 minus 12. So it's negative 9. So the answer is C. So the answer confirmed already. Okay. We look at this question. 17 here. 17. So 4 minus 6 plus 1 over 3 times plus 1 over 3 times negative 12. So we will get the equation 4 2 minus 6 negative 8 plus negative 4 negative 2. So we just do the upper one first. 4 minus 6 negative 2 plus negative 4. So it's negative 6. So the answer is C. Just find the upper one if you want to be quick, because you can see the options are really different. So you just find the upper one, and then you get the answer. But if you don't really quite sure, you just solve the down one and get the answer. Okay, next one. This one is 1 times 3 and 3 times 2. So the end product will be 1 times 2. Okay. So we we multiply into it. Okay. Yes. So it's 1 times 2. So how to get it? Just solve. We just solve like this, column by column, row by row. So it's negative 1 times 1, 1 times 3, 0 times 0. Just 0. Just right. Okay. So negative 1 plus 3. So you get 2. So as I said, 1 times 2. So the answer is B. Just eliminate the wrong option and then get the answer. So we go through the next page. These two, the others don't be lazy. Just do try more, so you can score. The marks will be in your hand if you do more of this type of question. Okay, so we solve 21, question 21. 113 SPM 2013. Okay, the cone question. So you can see given 63 and x negative 5 is equal to 21. So find the value of x. So this is 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. So the end product will be 1 times 1. As you can see, only one number, 21. So you just multiply again, 6x plus negative 15 equals to 21. So 6x minus 15 equals to 21. So 6x will be 36. So use the calculator, and then you get x equals to 6. So answer is A. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one. This one looks hard. Okay. So 3, 1/5, and then 0, -5, 25. So this one is 1 times 2 and 2 times 2. So the end product will be 1 times 2. So we solve column by column, row by row again. So 3 times 0 equals to 0, 0. So it's 0. And then 1/5 times 20 equals to 4. So it's so we get 4. We get 4. 8, wait. 1 times 2, 2. Yeah, 1 times 2. Yeah, 1 times 2. Yeah. 1 row, 2 column. So the answer is B already. 1 times 2. The format is 1 times 2. So you only left A and B. And as you can see, the end product is 4. So the answer is B already. Yeah. To confirm the answer, we check the right-hand side. So 3 times -5 equals to -15. And then 1/5 times 5 equals to 1. So plus 1. So you get -14. Yeah, so the answer is B. Okay. We go through 24. Okay. 23, do yourself. Please try. Use the format and try. Okay. Okay. So given 3m, -2, 3, -2, 1, -1/2, -4, 6, and 2 are equals to this matrix. So find the value of m and n. So we go to find the value of m first. So we expand it to become 3m plus, I think minus -2. Okay, as you can see, the equation will be like this. So we put it 8, 9, 8, -9, 8, -9, and 5. Okay. Okay, so we just solve 3. We use the 3m minus -2 equals to 8. So 3 plus 2, 3m plus 2 equals to 8. So 3m will be 6, and m will equals to 2. So m is 2 already. So we only have B and D. So we now solve the n. So we take 9 minus n over 2. 9 minus n over 2 equals to n. So it will become 3n over 2 equals to 9. 3n over 2 equals to 9. So the answer is 6. The answer is 6. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Okay, identity matrix. So I teach you these 2 questions for identity matrix. So 25, 26. Okay, 25. If A equals to -2167 and B equals to 1001, so then AB is what? So C and D must be wrong already, because B is this one, B is this one. So we just multiply. We multiply and get what is the product. Okay, AB. So this is 2 times 2 at the end product must be. So we times together. As you can see, column by column, column by column, row by row. So -2, -2, as you can see, 1001. Okay, so -2 plus 0, so it's -2 here. -2 must be here already. Okay, so the next one is negative. So 0 times 1 here, as you can see, is here, 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 and here. Okay.
Same answer, right?
Here. This one is here. 1 times 1. So okay, -2, 1. So you can see the answer is A. I think is it correct? I think.
Correct, correct.
I think it's correct. The answer is correct, I think.
Yeah, yes.
So we go through the next question. So PQ, if PQ equals to 1 and QP is not equal to 1, then then what is 1? Okay. Okay. So PQ is equal to 1 and then QP is not equal to 1. This question, then no, I think the answer is C. Let me have the check. Let me have a check first. Okay. So the answer is A. I think. A. The answer is A. Yeah, P negative 1 equals to Q. Yeah. Because I think PQ equals to 1 and then Q equals to P negative 1. I think so. Yeah. The answer should be like this.
Answer is C or A.
But you see the question, don't ask like this because it will be really hard. It will be very hard for this type of question. So we go through to
Answer is C, right?
Oh, C. Wait, C. Yeah, C. Sorry. I know why already. Because they say QP is not equal to 1.
A is 25.
QP is not equal to 1. Yeah. So
Not equal to 1.
So P negative P reciprocal of P is not equal to Q. Yeah. Should be like that. Yeah, should be like that. The equation should be like that. Okay. So we try to do first question for you as a tutorial. Okay. So they want you to find the inverse matrix of -3, 2, 1, -1. So the inverse matrix will be like this. 1 over something. Okay. The formula is AD minus BC. Okay. 1 over AD minus BC. This is the equation for inverse matrix. And then it will be, and then the matrix inside here, for AD, they will be switched places. Okay, they will be switching places. So, and then BC, they will be negative. Negative. Okay, positive will become negative. Negative will become positive. It's like that. So you can see swap places. AD will become like this. DA. So AB, BC, for BC, it will be positive become negative, negative become positive. So in this case, BC will become negative B, negative C. So the inverse matrix will get this one. The product will get this. So right now, we solve this inverse matrix. Okay. So we write down the formula. So you will become very clear about the inverse matrix. DA, not DA here. DA, DA. Okay. So okay, it times together. 180 minus BC. So for AD, the product of AD will be -3 times -1. So it become 3. So minus BC. So BC is 2 times 1. 2 times 1. So it's negative -2. So the inverse matrix for the matrix here is -1 for the D, -1. Yes. So correct this time. So you get 1/1. So no need to write 1/1, just 1 only. So the answer will this. You'll get this one. So you get full mark already. Okay. Usually they don't ask like this. They just ask something like equation. Okay. But also need to do as a practice as your knowledge basic. So next one. Calculate the value of n and n that satisfy the following matrix equation. Okay, this one is like a simultaneous equation, but using the matrix way. So you can see mn equals to 0, -3. So the first step you have to do is move this matrix to the right hand side to become inverse matrix. What is inverse matrix? As I told you just now, using the formula of the inverse matrix AD minus BC, and then swap places for AD, and then positive become negative, negative become positive for BC. Okay, so it's the same. You just copy down the last one for the inverse for the answer, the answer for last one. Okay, so you get this one, right? So you solve like the matrix, yeah, as usual, column by column, row by row for right hand side. Okay, so column to column. So -1 times 0 equals to 0. So -2 times -3 is 6. So it's 6 already. The upper one is 6. So the next one, -2 times 0, 0. So -1 times 0 equals to 0. So -3 times -3 equals to 6, equals to 9. So the answer for m and n is 6 and 9 respectively. M is 6, n is 9. Yes. Okay.
Okay, Hong Liang. In this case,
Yes.
I to mention 0, -3 must put at the back of the inverse matrix for.
Yeah. When you solve, just
Don't put
put at the
this one in
back,
front.
so you will
Must
not
put at
get
the back.
confused. The inverse matrix put at the front, and then
In
the
front, yes.
0, 3 put at the back. Yeah, for
Yes,
so
you are
to
right.
not get confused.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So we
yes.
solve
Okay.
question 2. Question 2. We try question 2. So given f is equals to m n 3 2. Okay. So the matrix of f is this one, and the inverse matrix of f is this one. So they want you to find the value of m and n. Okay, so let's have a look. So they swap places, as you can see. They make the inverse one, as I told you, AD, they swap places. So in this case, you can see 1/3. So we just ignore this one first, 1/3. They just swap places, so they didn't times the matrix into it. So the answer for m is clear already, is 9. Answer for m is clear already, is 9. So we now solve for the n. Okay, for the n. So you can either write in fraction form, reciprocal form, or you just write down this one 3, and then just solve AD minus BC. Just compare AD minus BC equals to 3. AD minus BC equals to 3. So for AD, for AD, for AD, you should do 9n. AD is 9n minus BC, so it's 6. So it's 6. Yes, 6. 6. So 9n minus 6 equals to 1. Equals to 3. Equals to 3. Yes. 9n minus 6 equals to 3. So 9n is equals to 9. So n equals to 1. Okay. correct already. So now we need to calculate the value of H and K that satisfy the matrix equation. So HK equals to this one and this one. So we can just straight solve up. Put the F matrix of F to the right hand side to become inverse matrix of F. So as given to you that inverse matrix of F is 1 over 3, n negative 3, negative 2, 9. So you just copy down this inverse matrix into the equation. So you will get 1 over 3. This one you will get this one times this one. Okay, so we copy down the equation, the matrix equation. So HK equals to, and copy down. Sub the n into it. So okay. Then 3, negative 3. Okay. And then you just expand this 1 over 3 first. Negative 1, negative 2 over 3. 3. Okay. 3, negative 3. So we times it into it. So 3 times 3, 3 times 1 over 3, 1. So negative 1 times negative 3 equals to 3. So 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So the second row, negative 2 over 3 times 3 equals to negative 2. So 3 times negative 3 equals to negative 9. So negative 2 times negative 3, negative 9 equals to negative 11.
11.
Okay, so you can get the answer like this, 4, 11. So H equals to 4, K equals to negative 11. Okay, so I think the rest you can do. Let's do question 5. Okay, let's try question 5. Just do the rest. Try yourself. And then we do question 5. So matrix D is 3, 2, 4, 2. Matrix E is x, 4, 8, negative 6. So find the value of x given D equals to 4, 0, 0, 4. So we times it into equation first. D times E equals to 4, 0, 0, 4. Okay. Now we just do the multiplication. So column by column, row by row. So 3x, 3 times x, 3x, and then plus 16 equals to 4. Okay, just solve the equation. Equals to negative 12. So x equals to negative 4. So just do comparison. Okay. State the inverse matrix of D. So for D, as you can see already here. So you just solve, just straight state the inverse matrix of D. So you just do 1 over, okay, 1 over here, this one. You can either leave the answer, you can either leave negative 1 over 2 like this, or you just solve into it also can. No problem. 3, not negative 3. 3. Okay. 3. So okay. So it's like this. The answer. After you expand the answer will be like this. Okay. So we do C. So C, using matrices, calculate the value of x and y that satisfy the following matrix equation. So as you can see, you state an inverse matrix of D. So when you want to solve this next following question, you can either copy down or you want to do another step also can. But for us, I think we recommend you to copy down the answer you got in question, in the last question. So you better watch out. The better is right, because if your B is wrong, C will also wrong. So if you want to do another step also can. If you want to copy down also can. So in this case we can copy down, I think, if you want. If you want copy down also can. 1/2. Yeah. We use the up one first. We don't straight write the answer down. Better like this. Better have one step of working. At least you can secure your mark. So the inverse matrix just now. And then we use the matrix method again. Column by column, row by row. So first column, -1 times 4, -4. 1 times 8 equals 8. So -4 times 8 equals 4 plus 8 equals 4. So the down below one, 2 times 4, 8. So -3/2 times 8 equals to -12. So you get -4 as a result. So the answer will be like this. There's a method to confirm your answer if you want. So you can, as you can see, this 3242xy is actually 3x plus 2y. So you use your calculator. To solve this, to confirm your answer, you use calculator and put simultaneous equation. Okay, so we